to massively reduce the production and accumulation of waste on our planet. We have redesigned an object that we use every day so that it no longer ends up in the trash. This is Kiima, the refillable deodorant applicator. Reusable and durable. It is your very last deodorant applicator. A simple, daily part of your routine transformed thanks to a container that's easy to use and refill with an easy 3-step process. 1. Remove the clip. 2. Insert the deodorant refills. 3. Put back the clip and start using. Thanks to our patent-pending mechanism, your leftover stays within the clip and you can simply put it back on top of your new pod when you refill for an optimal use of the deodorant. Take it with you anywhere. Take special care of your body and your health. The refills are manufactured by leaders in natural products. These visionary companies are joining the Kiima movement to reduce waste and take care of your health.
Fidèles à notre mission de réduire notre empreinte de plastique collective, nous sommes heureux de vous annoncer le partenariat entre The Unscented Company et Kiima pour vous offrir un déodorant naturel, efficace et rechargeable.
Avec l'Amazona, on aime le côté jusqu'au boutiste de Kiima et c'est pour ça que c'est la première fois en 10 ans qu'on va s'associer à une marque d'accessoires zéro déchet.
Nous partageons la même vision. Nous voulons offrir des produits qui sont bons pour la santé des gens, mais aussi pour notre planète.
We've been searching for a partner for sustainable packaging for a few years now, and we just felt like the partnership with Kiima was a perfect fit, literally.
Our deodorant refills contain no parabens, no aluminum, no harmful chemicals. They are 100% safe for your skin. We tested it, and they truly work. We redefine the deodorant for a fair price with nature and you in mind. Your Kiima and its refills are shipped in a compact, recyclable, and biodegradable packaging. We are currently in the process for the compostable certification. Reduce pollution with Kiima. We thought about every aspect of the process, from the life cycle of the product, the manufacturing, to the shipping. There is a movement underway for your well-being and the planet.
Kiima's mission is to reduce waste massively. We consume billions of deodorant units each year, and most of it ends up in landfills. We have designed the Kiima applicator to the smallest detail for you. It is affordable, easy to clean, easy to refill, designed to last a long time, and perfectly suits your daily life. We have also thought about those who like to make their own deodorant, so you can take a look at our do-it-yourself kit. Our partners share our vision and values. We believe that all together, we can create a real change. And with your help, we will be able to launch our first manufacturing phase. Thank you so much for backing us. At Kiima, we are taking tangible actions today for the environment of tomorrow.